making about stuff. This is the old engine. Boomer. Old engine. When I mean old, I mean old. This was the very first engine of a truck engine that I took apart. I'm going to steal the cam out of this engine to put it in my 350. That is the only big part left in this engine. This block is just junk. This will be the last video on this engine. I'll take another video after I get the cam out. But yeah, so peace out. That is the Widow 400 Chevy engine for you. I don't know what, if it's a 350, a 351, or what. I know my new engine is a 350, but I'm gonna steal this cam out of this engine, clean it up, and throw this block away because it's junk. The axle is still good though, but this engine is junk. So after I get the cam out, this thing, I'm gonna see my name for it and then I'm because my papa don't want it. I know he doesn't want it. So peace out.